Good afternoon, Year 10, and welcome to today's assembly. I've got a few different things to talk to you about today, and we're going to start off with some quick reminders. Firstly, uniform. So, just to make sure that we're all clear, you can choose each day whether you wear school uniform or school PE kit. So, you can, if you choose to, wear PE kit every day, regardless of whether or not you have PE. But what you can't do is mix and match part uniform, part PE kit. So, for example, if you choose to wear school uniform, you should wear normal school shoes and not trainers. And if you're wearing PE kit, it must be the correct school PE kit. Non-school hoodies are not part of PE kit and should not be worn to school. Coats should also not be worn in lessons. So I hope you're enjoying having lessons in our new building. Can we please remember to follow the one-way systems around all of the school buildings? Now, I know we're all desperate to get rid of face masks. None of us want to wear face masks, and we'll all be very glad when we don't have to use them anymore. But at the moment, we are required to wear face masks, and I need to remind you all to wear your face masks inside the building and in every lesson all of the time unless you are exempt. Also, a reminder, don't forget to still do your twice weekly COVID test from home. So we recommend that you do this on a Wednesday and a Sunday, and you should be testing at home and then reporting the result of that test online on the NHS website. And if you run out of home testing kits, you can collect more of these before school, break or lunchtime or after school from the testing room, which is on the first floor of the new building. Okay, the next thing I want to talk to you about is credits. So I've put up on the screen there the league table for credits since we came back from Easter. So that is only just over a week, about a week and a half old, that league table. And you can see there at the top we have Alex Kemp, who has got 16 credits. Well done to him. And we've got lots of people just behind him on 10 or more credits. So well done to Deborah, Gareth, Ben, Alfie, Emma, Mel, Sam Dolan and Sam Lewis, and to Yusuf. They all have 10 or more credits. And well done to everyone else who's got some credits. Please remind your teachers if you do a good piece of work or you have a successful lesson, please remind teachers to give you credits and to award them so that you can climb up that league table. And next week, maybe your name can be at the top. So there's also a couple of after-school activities that I want to let you know about. The first one is girls' football practice. This is happening every Tuesday after school between 6 and 7 p.m. and it's open to girls aged 13 to 16. You can have any level of football ability, so you can be a complete beginner or you can be a semi-pro footballer. It really doesn't matter. If you're interested in playing football just for fun, turn up on the Astro 6 till 7 p.m. after school on Tuesdays. There's also a new chess club that started that also is meeting after school on Tuesday, and that is in room N13. So if you're interested in playing chess, whether you want to learn to play chess or whether you're an experienced chess player, come along to Chess Club N13 after school on Tuesdays. So I also want to tell you about a survey that's being carried out by the Surrey Youth Cabinet, and this is a mental health survey, and they're asking for students and young people to log onto their website and fill out a short survey about youth mental health. And the organisation will use the information from this survey to develop mental health support services for young people. So it is well worth logging on and giving them your opinions. Also, if you do log on, you have a chance of winning a £10 gift voucher. So there's a website you need to go to take part in that survey, and I'll put that in an email when I send out all of this information from the assembly to your emails later on this afternoon. The last thing I want to tell you about is that next summer, not this summer coming, the following summer, 2022, there is the trip to Uganda, and lots of people have signed up for this trip, and all the people that have signed up for this trip need to fundraise to raise money to pay for their trip. And you can see on the screen there that there is a GoFundMe page which has been set up by a group of students. This was Sam Dolan, Izzy Knowles, Amelia Rolt, Ben Frost, Will Starkey, Matt Gray, and Matthew Hodgson. And they have set up for themselves a challenge to walk between them 6,500 kilometres, which is the distance from Red Hill to Uganda. And they're looking for sponsorship to raise money towards their cost for the trip. So this is a brilliant idea and a really good cause. So if you are interested, even if you can only sponsor them a few pounds, that would be really, really great, and they would really appreciate your support. So I'm going to put the link to their GoFundMe page on the email that I send out after this assembly as well. So take a look, read what they've put on there, and if you can, give them a few pounds, and I'm sure they'd be very, very grateful. Okay, Year 10, I'll put all the information that you need from this assembly onto an email, and I will send that out to you this afternoon. Thank you for listening. That's all we've got time for. Have a great evening. Take care.